Hello and welcome back to the GeForce IT Service Academy once again. This is the lesson 44 in the creation of a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. In lesson 43, we dealt with how to do some basic settings inside the database table of our school management system without any stress and without any problem. So in this lesson 44, we are going to start working on our fees payment database inside the school management system. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you follow the lesson from the beginning to the end. Please make sure that you share this video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to like and drop your comments on this video. Don't forget to check the description of this video for our previous videos on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. We have videos from lesson 1 to this current one on how to create a school management system using Excel VBA. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's just get started and begin to work on our fees payment database system in this school management system. Alright, so let's quickly search for the fees payment table. So I have my own here, the fees payment table. Good, so this is the fees payment table here. So this is where we are going to do some settings to enable us to get the amount that each student is supposed to pay from each class. So please make sure that you follow the lesson from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss anything. Please follow, like and share this video. Drop your comments in the comment section below of this video. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do here is to locate the fees payment column, the fees column here. Let's locate the fees column here. So inside the fees column here, we are going to do some settings here. We are going to insert some formulas that can help us to determine the fees for each student from each class. The payment that every student will make in the school must vary. If you are in KG1, the amount that you pay will be different from the person that is in KG2. If someone is in KG1, the fees that the person will pay will be different from the fees that someone in KG2 will pay. So please make sure that you pay attention to the video, pay attention to the lesson as we get started with this particular settings. Alright, so inside the fees column here, we will only insert our equal to sign like this. Then we insert this if. Then you open a new bracket like this. So if C is here, because C is the class, but we are going to insert the formula here inside the fees column. So if this C here is a KG student, then the fee should be something. You see that the fee should be 100 cedis, 150, 200 cedis, or whatever. So if someone is in this class here and the person happened to be in class 2, the fee must be different from someone who is in class 1 or someone who is in JHS. So that is what we are going to do here. So please make sure that you follow this lesson carefully. So if C is here, so we insert the C is. If C is equal to, then you bring your inverted commas like this, then KG1, then you close it now. So we are going to close it here. Then you bring comma. Then we are going to enter the amount here. So the amount here should be 200. Then we bring another comma. So what this simply means is that if Kojo is in KG1, there should be a particular fee for Kojo to pay. Kojo must pay an amount of money as a KG1 student. So the amount of money that Kojo is going to pay is going to be the 200 cedis here. So we are going to give amount, we are going to determine a particular amount of money that every student must pay from every class. Alright, so what we are going to do is that we are going to bring another if statement. We are going to bring another if statement. So if, then you open a new bracket again like that, then we come again, C6. If C6 equal to, then you bring another inverted commas like this. Then this time we are moving to KG2. This time we are moving to KG2. So KG2 like this. Then you close it like this. So we are going to bring another comma again. So this time the fee should be different from this one. The fee must be higher than that of the KG1. So let's make it 250 like this. Then you bring another comma. Then we are going for another if statement. So if, but because we don't want this video to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 45. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that you receive the notification for the lesson 45 and you take part in that lesson. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 45. Bye bye.